Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon. What is this?
Hexagon!
This is hexagon shape. Kids, this is hexagon. Semicircle. What we draw? What is this, kids? Semicircle. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
We are drawing pentagon. Pentagon. Heart. We are drawing heart, kids. Heart. Now we are drawing cross. We are drawing cross. This is cross shape, kids. Cross. Now we are drawing rhombus. We are drawing rhombus shape, kids. It's a rhombus. Now we learn some colors, kids. Look at this. This is very nice and cute colors, kids. Now learn it. Purple color, blue color, pink color, yellow color, green color, red color, grey color, sky blue color, forest green color. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute colors. Pastel violet color. Pastel violet color, yellow color, yellow color, kids, orange color, orange color, warm grey color, warm grey color, kids, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, kids, peacock green color, peacock green color, kids. Now learn 2D shapes. Hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, heart, cross, rhombus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.